If you are applying filters in your Excel workbooks like this, then you are doing it wrong. Please don't do this. We have a better way of doing this, like this one. This is, we are going to learn it today, so be with us till the end of this video. We are going to learn this one. So let's start this. We have this data. We will remove all the filters from here. First thing is to convert this data set into a table. Then click on anywhere in the data set and press Ctrl+T and select this one. My table has headers. The data has been automatically selected. Then press OK. This data set has been converted to table. Now you will be able to see here that table 2 is the table name, and one new field has popped up there, table tools. Now we are good to go. We are into the data set. Click anywhere on the data set and then go to insert, then slicer. Just we need to select the which field we are going to use for that. Like we are using World Cup winner. We will click on that and then we will press OK. Now this one has been inserted. Now we just need to click on the World Cup winner and the data get automatically filtered out. If we want to remove all the filters, then we can click here to clear the filter and the data gets cleared out. When we will make some new kind of dashboards like of things, this can become very handy in that, and it's look very soothing to eyes, and it also gets very speed up. So thanks all. Thank you.